Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to unlock your TikTok account, and I will also explain why it is locked in the first place. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our TikTok mobile application from here, and then we will go to our profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, we will simply click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and we'll go to settings and privacy. When your account has been suspended, you might be unable to do this step. You will need to go to your TikTok website using the browser, and now let's continue this. So while you are on this screen, scroll down a little bit and you have to click on report a problem. So whenever your account is logged and you just want to report a problem, you can select account and profile under the topic. So whenever your account has been suspended, you simply have to click on the account and profile, and from here you have to select the login, and then there is a third option named as suspended account. You have to tap on this. So this says that TikTok is committed to maintaining a safe and positive in-app experience and reserves the right to suspend, as known as, lock accounts that violate our community guidelines. So over there, here it says your problem resolved. You can select no, and then you simply have to tap on need more help, and now you can explain why your account should be unlocked over here. Basically, if TikTok locks your account, there is really no option for you to unlock it yourself. It has to be reviewed and unlocked by someone at TikTok. For example, in this case, you could have broken the community guidelines, which is why your account was suspended in the first place. You might go through this process and report the issue. So you might have done stuff that shouldn't there, and if there's a mistake, simply enter it all the here and press report, and so they will reach out to you and hopefully your account will be unlocked. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.